back to another episode of One for Igbo. I'm your lovely host, Ada Igwe Umori, and today we are going to explore the remarkable historical significance of the Igbo people in Nigeria. Strap in because this is going to be one fascinating ride. First things first, let's transport ourselves back to ancient times when the Igbo civilization began to flourish. The origins of the Igbo people are shrouded in mystery, but archaeological evidence suggests their presence in what is now southeastern Nigeria, which can be traced back over 2,000 years. The early Igbo society was characterized by vibrant agriculture, trade networks, and skilled craftsmanship. They cultivated yams, cassava, and palm products such as oil and wine. But what really set them apart was their economic prowess and entrepreneurial spirit. As trade routes expanded across West Africa during medieval times, the Igbo people embraced commerce with other regions. This led to substantial growth of cities like Nri and Oka in present-day Anambra State. Now, let's talk about one crucial aspect of the Igbo culture: their egalitarian social structure. Unlike many African societies at that time, where societal division was prevalent, the Igbo system allowed individuals to rise through merit rather than birthright or inherited status. This unique socio-political structure provided a foundation for democratic decision-making within communities. The emphasis on individual achievements also contributed greatly to Igbo land becoming a hub of intellectualism and innovative ideas. With such a rich cultural tapestry also came spiritual traditions unique to the Igbo people. Traditional religious practices centered on a belief system known as Ordinane, which emphasized harmony between humans and various deities. The worship of deities such as Amadioha, the god of thunder and lightning, played a significant role in Igbo religious ceremonies. Fast forward to the arrival of European colonizers on Nigerian shores, and everything changed. The colonization period marked a turning point for the Igbo people and their struggle to maintain their cultural identity in the face of external pressures. British colonial rule imposed new systems that affected every aspect of Igbo life: politics, religion, economy, and education. However, it's crucial to note that throughout this period, the Igbo people tenaciously held onto their traditions and fought for self-governance. One pivotal event etched into Igbo history is the Aba women's riots between 1929 to 1930, led by remarkable women like Nwanyerowa, Flora, Nwakuchi Okoye, and Ikonia Owere Akaloka. Thousands of Igbo women united against oppressive British policies. These fearless women protested taxes being levied solely on women, while men chiefs remained immune. They bravely stood up against injustice, challenging both gender biases within their community while resisting colonial domination. This uprising remains an iconic symbol of resistance in Nigerian history. Moving closer to Nigeria's independence in 1960, we witnessed how the resilience and agility of the Igbo people came into play once again. Ethnic tensions escalated as various regions sought greater control over their own affairs within a burgeoning post-colonial nation-state. Eventually, these tensions peaked with Nigeria descending into civil war from 1967 to 1970, a conflict known as the Biafran War. The predominantly Igbo Eastern region declared independence as Biafra, but faced tremendous struggles during the subsequent blockade enforced by the Nigerian government. The war exacted an immense toll on the Igbo people, with millions losing their lives to famine, disease, and violence. Despite the devastating aftermath, it was during this time that the world began acknowledging Igbo resilience and struggle for self-determination. After the war, Nigeria entered a period of recovery and rebuilding. Miraculously, against all odds, the Igbo people played a crucial role in their region's reconstruction efforts. Hardworking and entrepreneur by nature, many Igbo individuals rapidly rebuilt businesses and infrastructure while seeking reconciliation with other ethnic groups. Their collective resilience even led to what is commonly known as the Igbo economic miracle, an era marked by impressive commercial growth throughout southeastern Nigeria. Today, Igbo land continues to be instrumental in driving Nigeria's economy forward. As we wrap up this captivating journey through historical anecdotes after anecdotes about the Igbo people's inspiring legacy, let's remember that their contributions transcend borders. From arts and literature to politics and commerce, Igbos continue making significant impacts not only within Nigeria, but across the globe. So, next time you hear about Nigeria or dive into its rich history, take a moment to recognize how profoundly shaped it has been by the indomitable spirit of his great sons and daughters, the Igbo people. That wraps up our episode on the historical significance of the Igbo people in Nigeria. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning about this diverse culture as much as I did sharing it with you. Join me next time when I uncover another fascinating piece from our shared past on Igbo. Thank you.